Did you know that you can use the liquid from the canned chickpeas to make a delicious vegan mayonnaise? Okay, let me show you how. First, add 1 cup of vegetable oil to a blender, 1/4 cup of the chickpeas liquid, 1 tablespoon each of mustard and lemon juice, and then start blending it. Let the blender do the job. It's very simple, it's very easy, it takes no time at all, and you are going to have a delicious mayonnaise. I'm using my bullet today, but you can use any blender that you have, and it takes no time at all. So blend it together until thickens and the consistency is going to be as of a mayonnaise. And once it's done, I like to empty it into a container that has a lid. Keep it in the fridge. Look at that, it's all done, nice, smooth and creamy. I like this recipe, it's so easy and uses ingredients that you have on hand, all natural, no preservatives. I'm going to leave the recipe in the caption below. I might add that I'm not vegan, but I was totally impressed by how easy and how delicious this mayonnaise turned out to be. If you liked my recipe, please remember to give me the thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.